Good evening, everyone. Hope you are doing good. Safe at home, everyone. Today is the second day of our April challenge, and we are so excited that this month we are not going out. We are staying inside. We are doing indoor workouts, exercises, warm-ups, everything, other than going out and running and cycling. Right? So, how excited you are for this special challenge today? Because today is going to be, a different day for us. Today we have Savi, she will take care of the workout. Today we have a power walk, okay? And it has very interesting moves. You will love it. So we will start with the basic stretching and warm-ups, and then she will take over for the power walk, okay?
Let's wait for the people to join in.
Alright. So everybody just, if you want to have shoes, you want to wear shoes, you get in your shoes. Come in your dry fit wear, have a water bottle. Okay, take a water bottle with you and just come in next 5 minutes. We will start. So how was your day, everyone? I hope you enjoyed working at home. Yeah, because we are all working from home. No office, no going out, no shopping.
Some of them have the festival today. Today is our Ram Navami.
Today is Ram Navami, yes, okay.
Happy Ram Navami
Happy
to
Ram Navami to everyone, and we wish you a very great year ahead, because many people might be considering it the new year.
New Year.
Alright, so just let me know in the comment section how excited you are about the power walk. If anyone from you have already done it, just let me know, and if no, then join us for the power walk. Invite your friends, just tag along your friends who would be free from their office work now. So just tag them along, invite them on the page right now. In next couple of minutes we will start the session. It would be the most exciting workout in the indoor for this year, this corona lockdown. So just get ready for it. सब लोग अपनी अपनी एक पानी की बोतल ले आए, जूते उते पहन के टाइट होके रेडी होके आ जाए यहाँ पे. हम एक बार मस्त सा वर्कआउट करने वाले हैं. That would be amazing moves. Okay, so let's start with the warm-up exercises. Okay, so we'll start with the wrists. ऐसे ऐसे आप इसको घुमाना है. So simple. तो आपको सिर्फ अपनी कलाइयों को घुमाना है 5 बार इस तरह. 1 2 3 4 5. अभी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है. Now we'll move the shoulders. 1 2 3. ऐसे shoulders move करना है. Okay, so let's start. 1 2 3
Some
4
of them might have pain.
5. Yes, some of you might have pain because कल आपने अप्रैल इंडोर वर्कआउट शुरू किया है, और पहली बार जब कुछ एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, बॉडी पार्ट मूव होते हैं तो पेन होता है. डू नॉट वरी अबाउट इट. आप आज फिर से करेंगे, कल फिर से करेंगे, 2 से 3 दिन, आई गारंटी यू विल नॉट हैव एनी पेन आफ्टर 2 more days. ओके, और आज वर्कआउट करेंगे, स्लोली वो कम हो जाएगा, कल ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो जाएगा, परसों से कोई पेन होगा ही नहीं. Important is no pain, no gain. Okay, so you want to gain something, you will have to bear a little bit of pain. It's very normal. Okay, don't worry
If you
about
want
it.
to lose something,
Do it very slowly. All warm up and stretching says do it very slowly. 1, come on, with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now do the shoulders same, like ऐसे करना है आपको. मैं एक डेमो दे रहा हूँ. Okay. Just look at me. ऐसे, ठीक है. यहाँ रखें हाथ और स्लोली इसको रोटेट करें. जितना इजीली, जितना स्लोली करेंगे उतना आपकी मसल्स के लिए अच्छा रहेगा. प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, जर्क नहीं लगेगा, मसल पुल नहीं होगा. ओके, so let's start. 1 2 3 4 5. Change the direction. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so it was so easy. Now just pull your hands up, stretch yourself up. क्या करना है आपको? You have to
on the toes.
come on the toes and up your heels. Heels को उठा लेना है अपना,
Reach.
दोनों हाथ, और ऊपर की तरफ अपने आप को स्ट्रेच करें जितना भी आप कर सकते हैं. Come down. Okay, we'll do it 5 times. समझ गए आप सब लोग? I'll start the count now. We'll do it 5 times. Okay? You can look at me. So I'm straight. I'll bring my hands up. Just hold it by one. Go up. Try to go up. It's like something is pulling you. Do it like this. 1, then come back slowly. Normal. Okay? Then again. 2, and come back slowly. Count for 4, 5, 10 seconds, whatever time you can hold it on the up. More you hold, more you will gain. Important is this, okay? So we'll go with 3, come up, we'll do it 4, slowly come down, and the 5th, stay there for a few seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come back, okay? Now we'll do it little bit for our legs. तो जैसे wrists का किया वैसे हम ankle का करेंगे. You keep it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come back. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now bring it up again. I'll show you the demo. Bring it up again. Parallel to this, parallel to this. Just stretch it as much as you can. Bring it down. Then bring it up. Bring it down, wait for 3 seconds. Bring it up, wait for 3 seconds. Bring it up. Now this is flat, this is up. Bring your toe up towards your knee. Bring it up. Go down, 1, 2, 3. Come up, 1, 2, 3. Go down, 1, 2, 3. Come up, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. Okay, now this leg. Go down, 1, 2, 3. Come up, 1, 2, 3. We'll start the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these were the basic stretching and these exercises. We'll start with the push-ups, okay? The very important one, we always do it. So come on, be in the position.
I'll just check the comments.
You will check the comments, alright? You check the comments. So let's do the push-ups. Put your hands down, okay? And just check the position. Check the position. Hips slightly upwards. Don't bend. Keep your body straight. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. आप अपनी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में करें. जिसको 10 करना है वो 10 करें, ज्यादा करना है वो ज्यादा करें.
Girls can do on the knees also.
13, yes. So girls or the beginners who are not able to do it, they can do it like this. So this position, you bring down your knees, okay? Keep it like this and go down, come up, go down, come up. Keep it straight and steady. Don't move it, okay? Like this, everyone. For the girls and the beginners, do it like this. Join your knees, okay? And then you have to do this. Don't do like this, okay? Body should be straight. The upper body, above knees, should be in this position. It should not bend. Whatever you have to do is just, your elbows should be moved, okay? Your elbow should be moving. Elbows going down, you go down. Come up. Keep your head straight. Don't do this. This is not the push-ups, okay? Many people do this. Don't do this. So, this was about push-ups. Little bit of jumping. Okay, so we'll do the rope skipping. Without rope, no problem. आपको क्या करना है? जैसे जैसे हर एक जंप करेंगे, हर एक जंप के साथ आपको आ जाना है. Just assume कि आपके हाथ में रोप है, right? जैसे आप assume कर रहे हैं कि मैं आपके साथ में एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ, ठीक वैसे ही ऑनलाइन वर्चुअली आप समझे कि आपके हाथ में रोप है, and Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 50. Come on, everyone. 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 100. Very good, very good. Great, everyone. So this was basic stretching and these things. Now you will go for the power walk. Okay? So Savi will take care of now.
Yeah.
Okay? Guys, enjoy the power walk and let me know in the comment section how are you feeling this. This is going to be amazing, I'm telling you. Okay? So just enjoy it.
I hope everybody is wearing the shoes. Okay, so we will be marching first of all. Music.
Play the music.
So then you can march. Next is we have to kick. Kick straight. You don't have to go like this. You don't have to come like this. You have to be straight and kick. 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 17. up. March and reach 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 up. 20 times. March March again. March again. March, 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 march. March, 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 march. What you have to do is, you have to kick straight. One, opposite hand and the opposite leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Same position, but you have to reach up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. March, march, march. March, march, march. I hope you're enjoying it. March, march, march. March, march, march. March, march, march. What you have to do now, you have to do like this. Reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. March, march, march. March, march, march. March, 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 march. March, march, march. March, march, march. March, march, march. Now what you have to do is, you have to come forward, 1, go back 1, and go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 20 times. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little variation in this. Now you have to do the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. When that is done, march, march, march. March, march, march. March, 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 march. March, march, march. March, march, march. March, 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 march. Now we have to go side by side 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. You have to move your shoulders now. 1, come, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. March, march, march. March, march, march. How many calories you have burned today? March, 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 and relax.
Alright people, so just tell me how much you felt it, it's like excitement, energy, spark in this power workout. So it was just a walk, you walked at a place, just move forward few steps, backward few steps, left, right, everywhere. So every single muscle of your body was used to do the workout, okay? And this whole concept was for 1 mile. So today you completed 1.6 kilometers of your target.
If you have done all this workout.
Okay, so if you have joined us in the start, you did the stretching, you did the warming up, and then you completed 1.6 kilometers today, right now. Alright, so now amazing, very nice, very nice. Just let me know in the comment section how did it feel. You know, we will come back for more exciting sessions in the coming days, and every day we come here at 7 p.m. for this exciting workout, indoor workout. Every day, different concept will be there for you, and we'll do some jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks, okay.
Jumping jacks, alright. So let's do some jumping jacks. How many of you? 500?
I can do 1,000.
1,000? Okay. Alright, so let's start. I'll tell you how to do it. You just come straight to this position. This. You have to do it flat, okay? Shoulders के बराबर आने चाहिए आपके हाथ, और आपको थोड़ा सा legs को open करना है. नीचे आना वापस. PT करते थे स्कूल में, right? So it is as good as PT. You have to do this. 500 times. Yes, social distance.
Keep one hand this.
So I'll count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17,
18. So let's have some music here.
20. Yes.
Okay. Keep doing it, guys. Keep doing it.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Come on, I'm done with you guys. Come on, ready everyone. Start. If you're not doing it, whoever has joined us right now, come on, let's start the jumping jacks. बाकी का वर्कआउट आप वीडियो में देख सकते हैं. It will be there on the page. Come on.
17, 30 more to go.
आराम से धीरे slowly करते जाएं. 2 किलोमीटर में जो 0.4 किलोमीटर बचा है वो ऐसे कर लेते हैं. Right? So just we completed 100. Take a sip. Yeah. So next 100. Something else. Let's do something else. Mountain climbers. Okay. Do 100 mountain climbers. Come on, guys. Stuff like this. Okay, wait. Just show it this way. Just give a demo this way. तो देखो आप लोगों को क्या करना है. आपको ऐसे पोजीशन में आ जाना है. दोनों हाथ आपके यहाँ पे. एक लेग आप ऊपर लेके आएंगे, वापस लेकर आएंगे. फिर दूसरा लेकर आएंगे, वापस लेकर आएंगे. It's so simple, है ना? One by one, one by one. So left leg 50 times, right leg 50 times. Okay, total 100 mountain climbers. Come on. Are you in position, everyone? Okay, let's start on the count of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look straight, look up. Keep your body tight. 1 in relaxed position. Keep your shoulders down, easy relaxed position. We are done for the workout. Just breathe normally for few seconds, few minutes before we conclude this.
Everybody has finished their mountain climbers.
आप सबके माउंटेन क्लाइंबर्स हो गए हो तो अब आप आ जाएं, आप आराम से रिलैक्स होके बैठ जाएं, है ना? और अभी हम कुछ ब्रीदिंग्स करेंगे which will help us for endurance building, alright? And cool down as well. So just sit like this, easy relaxed position. Close your eyes. You have to take a deep breath. लंबा सांस लेना है और उसको होल्ड करना है थोड़ी देर के लिए. जितनी देर आप होल्ड कर सकते हैं आप उसको होल्ड करें and then slowly आप उसको छोड़ दें. You take it again. So it's like 20 times you have to take a deep breath. 20 बार सांस लेना है लंबा और उसको धीरे धीरे छोड़ना है. जितनी देर होल्ड कर सकते हैं आप होल्ड करें. जब आपको लगता है कि इससे ज्यादा होल्ड नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आप उसको रिलीज करें. सबका अपना अपना एंड्योरेंस लेवल के हिसाब से अपना अपना टाइम रहेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. If you can hold it for 10 seconds, it's amazing. In the starting, slowly and gradually you will build it up. Okay, so let's start now. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. लंबा सांस लीजिए, होल्ड कीजिए. जितनी देर तक आप होल्ड कर सकते हैं, it's good for you. This shows your stamina. इससे आपको ये पता चलेगा कि आपकी बॉडी की एंड्योरेंस लिमिट्स कितनी है. आप जितनी देर सांस को रोक के रख सकते हैं, it is good for you. Now you can slowly release it. Count starts now. एक के बाद एक टोटल 20 बार हमें सांस लंबी सांस लेना है, 20 बार वापस छोड़ना है.
6.
अपनी आंखें बंद रखें, सीधे बैठे रहें आराम से. Keep your head straight. Take your time. Try to hold it more than 10 seconds every time. बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हैं आप लोग. We are so grateful and thankful to each one of you who have joined us in this session today. आप सब लोग हीरो हैं क्योंकि आप लोग घर पे हैं. आप सिर्फ ना खुद की सुरक्षा कर रहे हैं बल्कि आप अपनी फैमिली की सुरक्षा कर रहे हैं और आप अपनी सोसाइटी की सुरक्षा कर रहे हैं, नेबर्स की, एंड इन टोटल द होल कंट्री इज सेफ ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइस. आप घर में रहेंगे, सेफ रहेंगे, कोरोना वायरस को इधर से उधर ट्रांसमिट नहीं करेंगे, फैलाएंगे नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होगी. वो वायरस जहाँ है वहीं 12 घंटे में रह के मर जाएगा. जब तक हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे, वी विल नॉट गेट इन्फेक्टेड, वी विल नॉट इन्फेक्ट अदर्स. इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाएंगे और एंड्योरेंस बढ़ेगा हमारा. इम्यूनिटी के साथ में हमारा जितनी भी बीमारियां हैं उन सबसे हम बचे रहेंगे. तो हमें कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये आप देखते हैं कि जितने एथलीट्स हैं, जितने रनर्स हैं, जितने साइकिलिस्ट हैं, जो रेगुलर जिम जाते हैं, वो सब लोग कम बीमार पड़ते हैं. रीजन चाइल्ड पोस्ट. ओके, तो आप सब लोग ऐसे बैठ जाएं थोड़ी देर के लिए. इट विल हेल्प यू.
You have to go down
गुड.
in the child pose.
बच्चे नाराज हो जाते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं. That's what you have to do.
20 seconds hold. Come up. Stretch your hand like this. This hand, that way. You have to go and your left hand from here. Just you have to go straight and gently and up. relax.
All right, so
All for the day.
this was for today's workout, and I'm 100% sure that each one of you have enjoyed it a lot. All right, so we'll do just 10 times this. This fist is for the coronavirus. Just do it like 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on everyone, आप अपना 10 तक का count पूरा करें. And this was for the day. Thank you so much, Savi, for this amazing power walk.
Thank you.
And we'll keep doing this in the coming days. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm
Same
Prashant, and same time 7 o'clock every day. 7 o'clock every day at Indian Marathon page. We will be there here for you for the special workout sessions for Indore. So I'm Prashant. She's Savi with me. We are signing off for today.
Stay safe.
Stay safe,
healthy,
stay healthy,
stay
stay
strong.
fit. Okay.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Bye.